VLOOKUP function. To use this function, you need a lookup table. Let's say we want to look up Jadon Sancho's details from this lookup table. So let's look up his email address. The lookup value is whatever we look up in this cell B13. The table array is the lookup table. Column index number is 2. That is to say the email address details fall in column 2 of the table array. Then comma. Then just select false to give us an exact match. Then close the parenthesis and you'd hit enter. You can see it looks up Jadon Sancho's email. Let's look up his phone number. Type in VLOOKUP. The lookup value, this cell, comma, the table array, comma, column index number, phone number is column 3, comma, select the false, close parenthesis, hit equal sign. The same way, type in VLOOKUP, select VLOOKUP, the lookup value is this cell here, comma, table array, that is the table array, comma, the column index for bank account is column 1, 2, 3, 4. That's column 4, comma, select false match, close the parenthesis, hit enter. For the bank name, VLOOKUP, select VLOOKUP, the lookup value is the contents of that cell. The table array is this range. This is the table array, the lookup table, comma, bank name is in column number, bank name is column number 5, then comma, select exact match, close the parenthesis, hit enter. For the gross monthly salary, type in VLOOKUP, select VLOOKUP, the lookup value is the contents of this cell, comma, the table array, comma, the column index number 6, comma, select false for an exact match, close the parenthesis, hit enter. You can see Jadon Sancho's email is this one, Jadon Sancho's phone number is this one, his bank account. So the VLOOKUP function actually looks up the values from the table and then it highlights here according to your instructions what you want to see here. Notice that when you change this value to say Mason Mount, hit enter, it changes. So it automatically updates the details for Mason Mount. So instead of typing in different names in this cell B13, we can make use of a drop-down list tool. To add a drop-down list tool to this cell, you click on the data tab, go to data validation, click on data validation, and the data validation criteria, click on list. You can type in the list or just select the range of list you want. Just select the range of the list we want. We want the list of these names, and then you click again, and then you hit OK. It adds a drop down. So in this case now we can select any name in here, say Anthony Marshall, and it automatically updates the rest of the details. So because these cells from here to here, these cells are making use of the VLOOKUP function. We can go ahead and maybe select a different name, let's say Dean Henderson. It automatically updates the rest of the details. So you can see this drop-down list tool makes it interesting to use